Yeah, they down with this. Because they down with this.
Nau mai ki tēnei whiringa toa whakamutunga ki raro iho I ngā reke o waenganui.
Many would have ambitions to take their sporting careers forward. This is what secondary school rugby is all about, as Tauranga make their way out for the final. Although if it had come off, it would have been an absolute doozy. But instead, Hamilton survive and kick for touch. It doesn't get there though, and on the far side of the field, here he comes again, it's Riley. Needs some support. As the boys in the bay come on in to provide that support. Aidan Cook will be pleased with how they've started here this afternoon. Back to Spratley. Spratley's in space. Aidan Spratley's away! What a try for the number 8. And that's the motto we seem to be witnessing here this afternoon. Here they come again. Look out, Hamilton. Dummy, offload. And the winger angles back on the inside. Nailed 5 out from the line. Sinton still senses a chance to the right. Finds Sinkinson. Sinkinson gets some support. Te Huia drives him towards the line. Sinkinson will protect the football. Sinton now across, and it finds again Riley. Been loving the work of the fullback, but the ball's gone down. The referee's whistle's gone up, and it will be another chance for the home team from close range. If there's 3 here, grab the 3 and take it to 10. Speaking of 10, here's Mason Verster. Hits that one well enough, and it's between the cow horns for success. Here to TBC. Sinton left that one behind. Play on, says the referee. Sinton's got numbers down the left corridor, and he'll utilise them as the prop chimes in. Lovely little dummy from Mason Verster, and Verster angles it across and goes in to score. Mason Verster, take a bow. Strong running. Possession wins games. The percentage plays maintain leads. Now that one is deep. We've got the new man on the field here in Jay Wilson. A little isolated here, Jay. The Tauranga boys come rolling across like the waves into the shore at Mount Maunganui. Been really impressed by the way he injects himself into the back line, and that is very good.
Nā wai ka ua, kātahi ka ua ake. Mo te kapa no Kirikiriroa.
Sinton, big push coming in here from Hamilton. Sinton does well on the first. Now this is what we mean about playing smart. Is the throw cleanly taken? Double around here. It's on to Nikolai Te Huia. Plenty tough. The big prop forward. Keeney. He's okay to go too. Worked by his teammates, setting it up. Short side run through. It's through.
10 from the scrum. 50-22, excuse me, with the ball back. And this guy is very deserving.
Coming up to 19 minutes, still a long way to go here. But Tauranga, I mean, if you're judging by confidence and self-belief, they have it in spades. As Sinkinson once again does the double around and sets it up nicely. Look out, Hamilton, they're coming at you again. This time it's Decky Kelly is in the mix. And that's another try. Well.
Speaking of anchors, hook, line and sinker.
Nice and low, driving to that line. And where is he? Right through that ruck area, over the line.
They've had the Spitfires out wide, haven't they? The Fijian Flyers. Now, Hamilton with a chance on the far side. And it's an intercept, it's a takeaway, it's a flyer, it's the line, it's a crawl, it's a try. Kelly Lasaka does it again.
The dying minutes, I suppose, of this opportunity for Tauranga boys to clinch their first victory of taking up the silverware for a quarter of a decade. Not doubting or disrespecting the fact that Hamilton boys have been so dominant over the years, not only in this national stage but on the world stage too. Tauranga boys opting just a fine touch. As we're into referee's whistle time, and congratulations to the haukainga. Kua eke panuku, kua eke tangaroa I roto I tēnei whakataitai I tēnei tau. As we can see the joy, the trombones are on the fields, the drums are on the fields.
Down with this.
You try, but you can't see me.
'Cause I'm down with this.
Whakarongo and you know.